if you have a BA or BF Barra engine and it's misfiring, this could be the reason why. So a lot of people overlook this. This is a BF engine. So take note of these little rubber, I don't know what you'd call them, things there. What they actually do is push down on these coils so they all sit on each one. My one is unfortunately missing this one right here. So this coil is just pulling up a little bit and it should be pushed down. On the FGs, they actually improved this design by each coil having its own bolt to bolt it down. So they're pretty hard to come out, but somehow mine's come out. So the way I'm going to fix it is just get a little bit of hose. I've just cut that to the right length. I'm just going to shove that in there. And now what that will do is act like the same as one of these. Because who can be bothered going to the wreckers just for one of those?